Imagine you're out taking care of your business. Imagine everybody looking around without really seeing. Imagine a street like any others, only full of strangers. This is an everyday scenario. Imagine being there, invisible. All of a sudden, you hear a sound. And with that sound comes a feeling. The only thing is that this feeling comes from outside of you. The earth is shaking in a lusty way. No one knows what's going on because it has been centuries since this last happened in Haiti. The new generation isn't aware of such things. In fact, there's no name for it in the Haitian Creole vocabulary. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of Goudougoudou, the earthquake that occurred in Haiti in January 12, 2010. When the earth shook and moved the buildings on their foundations, all we heard was Goudougoudou, Goudougoudou, Goudou. Without a word for earthquake, we called it Goudougoudou because of that sound. Today, I will tell you the story of how that Goudougoudou broke everything in just 7 seconds. But for the first time in a long time, also brought people together. These were the 7 longest seconds in my entire life. I was in the street when it began. First, I heard the sound. Then all I could see was things falling apart and people running. Some people thought it was Armageddon. They bent in their knees and screamed, "Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!" I took refuge in an open field, afraid that maybe the earth would open to swallow me, as insignificant I was. Once it was over, I continued along my route. I didn't fully understand the consequences until I saw that entire houses had disappeared. Dead bodies everywhere. People praying aloud in the street. Then came the scariest time I have ever experienced. It was completely dark. No light and nothing to help us see. All I could hear was the screaming. Some screams came from far away. Some were close. And some others, they would be just next to me. The cries of those trapped in the rubble and of those who were still praying through the darkest night ever. I could still smell the dust in the air. But this didn't stop people. We called each other, met in groups, and helped perfect strangers. It was dark, but we saw each other, cared for each other, helped each other, and protected each other. In the dark, scary night, people saw people. Everybody was afraid of staying inside. So everybody, rich and poor, stayed in the streets, sharing the little resources that they had in hand. It is sad to say we needed a disaster to be united, but everybody learned to live with one another. The earthquake not only brought Haitians together, it also brought the world together for one cause. It is said that this was the most televised event in the world after the Obama presidency. Citizens donated billions of dollars, and much of it went to Haiti to bring support to the Haitian people. May this not be remembered as the disaster that killed hundreds of thousands, broke homes, and left others disabled. May it instead be remembered as the one thing that united us, that fixed us as humans. Thank you.